So we just lost a tooth, and I'm not sure if it's Siggy or Zoe. So we're gonna go find out. They're just being brats, and I think Daddy put one away. Victor, did you lose a tooth, baby? Did you lose a tooth? Let's see. Let's see, Bubba. No? Okay, no. Did you lose a tooth, baby? No. Let's see. Siggy's not cooperative. He is looking for something bratty to do. He wants to eat the cactus. Siggy, why do you like eating Mommy's cactus, huh? Alright. Let's go with Miss Zoe. Miss Zoe's in trouble because she was being mean to her brother. Miss Zoe, did you lose the tooth? Let's let you out. There you go. That's why she got in trouble. Zoe! Zoe! Did you lose a tooth, Mama? Did you lose a tooth? Zoe! Siggy! Siggy! Babe, you need to see this. Siggy's the one being a brat, not Zoe. Why is she getting in trouble if Siggy's the one that's being the brat?
They say to be separated.
So put her with the one that's being a brat. Good girl. Hi, Mama. Dexter. Calm down. Siggy. Good girl. Good girl. What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Zoe. Oh, what a pretty mama.